super quick one. Caught on camera, semi-merges from dead stop.
The low frame rate of the video on this one, but still an absolute unbelievable crash. This pickup operating as a car carrier.
Bro, another voice, bro. This is all Midwest safety. Another voice, bro? How many did you go through? How old is this? 3 years ago. Bro, he's been grinding for 3 years.
Merged from a dead stop.
I missed it. I'm yapping.
Crash. This pickup operating as a car carrier merged from a dead stop on the shoulder directly into the right lane. That action combined with some late awareness by the semi resulted in this spectacular.
Is it late awareness, bro? Those roads look slick as hell. All right, and you pulled out in front of a 16-wheeler, bro.
Incident. Incredibly, no serious injuries, largely due to the impact primarily on the passenger side of the semi. Huge.
Ooh, thank God you had no one in there.
Huge cleanup operation with 1,000 feet of debris and massive backups. We bring you.
Bro, I feel like people do that all the time, bro.
Absolute unbelievable crash.
And then they're just like, oh, well, it's your fault. You should have slowed down. Bro, the roads are slick and this thing's 20 fucking tons. I can't believe people, bro. I love these bridge videos, though. I could watch semis hit bridges like all day. This one was less fun because, you know, it wasn't just negligence. I mean, this dude had no chance, bro. It's you can see it slick. Whatever. Told y'all it was going to be a quick one. Quick one. Sudden pileup caught on camera.
This seemingly peaceful early morning view is about to be interrupted because in only a moment, a 10-car pileup is going to happen. One final.
Bro, this voice is putting me to sleep, dude. I've been talking about this on these videos, but this is another voice from 4 years ago.
Element in play.
This actually does sound like that second one we heard.
Is the fact that the gentle arch of the bridge is limiting the visibility of oncoming traffic to see what awaits them.
What are y'all doing blocking it, though? Did y'all get in an accident?
Change in traction combined with a hard-to-see crash, blocking both lanes, creates a ripe environment for a...
Oh no, bro. And then you guys aren't even facing where your blinkers are showing. Like, you can't even see that.
Pile up. But if you're in the middle of a pileup, what should you do? Any answer may involve trade-offs. One car opted to drive.
Oh, and that looks slick too. Like, you're done, bro. That thing is fully blocked now.
Upstream to help get out of the way. And moments later, a vehicle careened into the spot they had occupied only seconds earlier. The car that went against traffic happened to position their vehicle, intentionally or not, at the apex of the bridge, which may have helped get the attention of other drivers.
Like, what are you doing? Just stopping going the wrong way.
And help them to perk up to the situation unfolding in front of them. In this video, one individual exited his vehicle, stayed on the shoulder, but did not get over the guardrail. Moments later, a minivan slid into him, unfortunately. Other individuals...
Oh, that one right there, bro.
Who exited and used a guardrail or concrete wall to separate them from traffic were not injured. The DOT plow arrived less than...
Hey, that's a note to everybody right there. If we just saw that in the other one too. Car got split in half by a snow plow. Weird. Probably the same place over here. He gets out the car. Another car hits his half of car and it is on top of him. And he's under the wheel, dies.
A minute into the event, and its high-profile lighting likely helped end the pileup by providing sufficient warning to incoming drivers.
What is that? What are you putting on the road like that?
In this video,
did you see that?
A minute into the event, and its high-profile lighting likely helped end the pileup by providing
Why would you do that? Is that water?
Sufficient warning to incoming drivers. In this video, we looked primarily at environmental factors contributing to pileups, and initial observations suggest a sudden change in traction, a blocking crash, and limited visibility, in this case, the rise of a bridge, all created a risky environment for a...
Bro, this is like a full science in-depth breakdown. Like, I understand. It's a pileup. It's a pileup, bro. All right. No, that was a good video, though, honestly. Another super quick one for y'all. Video captures car exploding in this infamous Minnesota tunnel. Oh! That was quick, bro. I've never even thought about that. Like riding up the guard. That's crazy, bro. You really went into it. I mean, he was coming in way too hot. Bro, stop. You're going right into it. I don't understand. People can't drive, bro. Bro comes just driving through. Look at that. Right onto the flames, brother. What are we doing? Oh, what kind of car was that, bro? It looked like it hit like the engine and just split. Oh, bro, that probably took forever to clear out. No signals, brother. You're just U-turning on the. It looks like 3 more accidents happened after that, dude. I hate drivers, man. Dude, it's gone. He was deleted. Oh.
Everyone has their favorite part of property.
There was no sound in that video at all. I'm glad that one was short. That was awkward. All right, next one's going to be police catch shoplift. I meant to do this one before. I promise. I'm going to do this one next. Police catch shoplifter emptying entire aisle.